What's up, all you Challenger Cuda lovers? We are going to walk down a whole row of them. We're going to go fast. This is a 72 with a 340. There we go. Look at this, another 340 Challenger. We're going to go right down the row. We got a 70 Cuda, another 72 Dodge Rally. We got a Hellcat swapped. Hell yeah, it's called Hell yeah. Another green Challenger 6-pack. What we got? A AAR style Cuda. We got a Challenger, purple Challenger, green 340 6-pack. Cuda with dual Phytex. That's kind of cool. Another Cuda, baby blue with a Phytex. Everybody's putting them Phytex snipers on there. I guess they all just want their car to start. Challenger, another Challenger, another black Cuda. Another black Cuda, 1970. Oh, look at that, right? Nice, side pipes. It's like a 440 in there. Challenger. Oh, that's a Cuda. What's going on there? Man, Survivor right there. 426 Hemi. Hemi car, nice. With the Hemi car up front. And what do you got here over here? Shaker. Shaker Hemi. Two Hemi shaker cars at the end right there. Very cool. If you're a Mopar lover like me, you want to see some more cool Mopars, click the link above. Don't forget to follow us on the next Florida Car Show.